Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to transfer files from Android to PC wirelessly. Alright, let's go straight ahead to the steps. First thing that you need to do is to go to your Play Store and look for Wi-Fi FTP server. Alright, once done, just hit on enter. Alright, as you can see here, the app is available. Just go ahead and install it and wait for the process to finish. Alright, once done, just go ahead and open it up. And from here, you're going to want to click on or tap on start. Hit on allow. Alright, as you can see here, the server URL is given, the user ID, and the password as well. Now, what you're going to want to do on your PC is just go to your File Explorer and hit on this PC. What you're going to want to do next is simply right click on a blank space and click on add a network location. Alright, once done, just hit on next. Choose a custom network location and hit on next. And as you can see here, internet or network address, just go ahead and go back to your phone and type in the server URL. Alright, and go back to the computer. Internet or network address, I'm going to go ahead and paste that and hit on next. Alright, as you can see here, specify username and password if required. You're going to want to untick this one, log on anonymously. Untick that one and go back to your phone. The user ID is Android. Hit next. Just hit on next. Again, finish. Alright. As you can see here, it will require you to log in. Just go ahead and type in the password, and the username and password is just the same. I'm going to go ahead and put in Android as well. Alright. If you want to, you can save the password, so it's not going to require you to put the password again later. Alright. Once done, just hit on log on. And as you can see here, my phone's folders are here. As you can see here, it's pretty fast. Alright, that's basically it. I hope this video helps, and please don't forget to share this video to your friends. And if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.